Listen to me. I want you to sit down, grab a cup of coffee, and pay close attention, because what we are talking about today could literally make or break the rest of your life and the legacy you leave behind for the people you love most. If you are 60 years old, or right around that age, you are standing at one of the most powerful financial crossroad moments of your entire life. You are either on the brink of retirement or you are already stepping into it. You have worked 30, 40, maybe even 45 years to accumulate your nest egg. You paid off the house, you saved in your 401k or IRA, and you are finally ready to start enjoying the fruits of your labor. But here is the massive mistake so many of you are making right now. You think that because you wrote a basic will 15 or 20 years ago when your kids were in elementary school, you are all set. Wrong. You are not all set. In fact, relying on an outdated estate plan, or worse, having no estate plan at all, is like driving down the highway at 70 miles an hour without a seatbelt. Why is age 60 the absolute magic hour to review and rewrite your estate plan? Because at age 60, your life looks completely different than it did when you were 40. Your children are adults now. Some of them might be married, some might be divorced, and some might have kids of their own. Your assets have changed. Tax laws have changed. But most importantly, your health and longevity needs over the next 20 to 30 years require a completely different strategy. Let's address the elephant in the room and talk about the fear that keeps so many of you up at 2 o'clock in the morning. Your biggest fear isn't just dying, your biggest fear is becoming a financial or physical burden on your children if you get sick or incapacitated before you die. You worry about losing your home or wiping out your life savings to cover long-term care or nursing home expenses. You worry about your family tearing themselves apart in a bitter court battle because your intentions weren't clear. And let me tell you, that fear is real. Probate court is public, expensive, time-consuming, and emotionally draining for grieving family members. So ask yourself this fundamental question: if something were to happen to you tomorrow, if you had a stroke or an accident and couldn't speak for yourself, who has the legal authority to sign your medical directives? Who has the power to pay your bills from your bank account without having to ask a judge for permission first? If you don't have an updated Revocable Living Trust, a durable power of attorney for healthcare, and a financial power of attorney, the answer is nobody. The state will step in and decide for you. Do you really want a judge who doesn't know you or your family deciding who manages your money or makes life or death health decisions for you? Absolutely not. Here is what you need to do right now. At age 60, a simple will is usually not enough. You need a revocable living trust. Why? Because a will goes through probate, but a properly funded living trust avoids probate entirely. It keeps your private family matters private, saves thousands of dollars in legal fees, and allows your designated trustee to step in seamlessly if you become incapacitated or pass away. Next, you must check your beneficiary designations on every single one of your financial accounts, your 401k, IRAs, annuities, and life insurance policies. Did you know that beneficiary designations override whatever is written in your will? If you named your ex-spouse 30 years ago on your 401k and forgot to change it, that money goes to your ex-spouse, no matter what your will says. Go log into your accounts today and double-check every single named beneficiary and contingent beneficiary. Finally, you must put in place an advance healthcare directive and a financial power of attorney. Pick people you trust with your life, people who have the emotional strength to honor your exact wishes. Talk to your family open and honestly about your plan so there are zero surprises down the road. Age 60 is your moment to take control, protect what you've earned, and grant yourself ultimate peace of mind. Stand in your truth, secure your future, and protect the people you love today.